This is my 1994 lawnboy lawn tractor ride lawnmower. It has a 12.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine on it, 5-speed transmission, 38-inch deck. Runs really good. Had to do some work on it when I got it though, because it was given to me. I had to put a new starter on it. I also had to put new battery in there, along with new fuel lines, and it did pretty good. I had that for a while, then I had to replace the belts on it because they were old and they just snapped and wouldn't go. So I replaced that. Not much to show. Yeah, I also did a transmission work on this thing too. I'll start it up for you. Gotta get my key. Right here. I always have to disconnect the fuel line because it will overflood and it will mess up. I usually just that flush out, get all that yellow stuff out of it, because it floods out too much. Hard time getting that in there. Well, it's in there now. This thing it's in gear. When it's not supposed to be in gear. There we go. Alright, here we go. Choke. That thing's messing up on me. I usually just wiggle these and they'll work. It started out pretty good. One's good too. I need to test drive it someday. Well, anyway, this is all my features of my 94 lawnmower.